Renowned across Middle Earth as the great horse master, as the riders of Rohan gallop across the vast plains where the towering mountains meet the skies. Mounted upon their swift steeds, their valor was unmatched, their loyalty unwavering, as they state their claim for their personal sovereignty.
We start today's dress with a green linen undertunic. This has a high collar, like Theoden's and Aermir's from the Lord of the Rings movies, which is why I chose it. Got our brown boots, and now we're putting over a wool tunic. This kind of serves as a gambeson for the male hauberk, which I'm putting on now. I also like to say I'm wearing my brown hand-dyed pants, as you can see. Next we have this kind of leathered, armored vest thing. I chose this because it reminded me of Eowyn's leather armor and Chris Vernell's, forgive me if I'm pronouncing that wrong. It would do absolutely nothing against a sword cut, but it looks the part-ish. And there's my leather braided belt with a bronze buckle. And here is a sax knife. I forgot to put it on before I buckled the belt. And that is my secondary belt that has no buckle. Now we have a gorget. Now, this gorget and these pauldrons don't quite look the part for Rohan, but they did have pauldrons in Rohan, at least in the movies, and I really wanted to call some attention to the lesser plate armor depicted in the movies, and they're a little plain. Now we have a felted wool cap that I will be wearing under my helmet. And here is a light wool blanket in green with a pretty brooch. Here is my helmet. Most helmets in Rohan don't seem to have a full chainmail aventail covering the mouth. I like mine the way it is. It seems more Saxon-like to me, but it's not quite accurate to at least the movies. Now we have a leather glove for a bit of cushioning and comfort when I'm wearing the shield. This shield is a little smaller than your average shield, but in the movies, the Rohirrim are depicted in wearing, holding, or having smaller shields than expected. And this might even be a little small for that, but I think it works. I am now also carrying a spear, and spears are totally great for the Rohan. They all seem to carry them. The Rohirrim also seem to carry short bows and arrows. If you'd like to see like a Rohirrim horseback archer video, that would be cool. They also are described in the books and depicted in the movies as all carrying these kind of Viking, Anglo-Saxon, or migration period swords. I don't have any of those. If any of you guys would like to send some to me or point me in a great direction, that would be totally awesome.
Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, all of that YouTube stuff. And until next time, farewell.